it's Cole with Wise Eye Technology, and today we're in Arkansas at our deer camp, and I'm going to show you how to make a fake scrape
with a hammer.
Here's our little deer foot that we're going to use as a hammer, the back end of a hammer, and we got Cose's rookem juice. This stuff you can use all year round. It keeps deer coming into the same area, especially when you make a MockScrape. It'll keep them coming in, keep them refreshed with the area, and it'll help you find your target deer quicker in the end of the year.
Let's see, we're going to take some inventory.
So first, take the back end of your hammer, clear out about a 4-foot space. Make it look like a deer had a party right here. Now that you got your scrape pad made, you can take your rookem juice, put a couple sprays on the leaves that the deer would be putting his scent glands on. And you put 5, 6, 7, 8 sprays into the dirt.
I smell it from here.
If you gotta go to the bathroom, you can pee in it. You really don't need to with the rookem juice. The rookem juice does absolutely wonders, especially when you're making a fake scrape in the early season, because the deer are starting to get their fuel to rut and all that. But especially for early season, rookem juice is the way to go. Mr. Dan DeWitt, thank you, man, for making such an amazing product. Love you.